Assalamu alaikum. Hi, I'm Shazib Baskar. Today I'm going to teach you how to add your own first label in Mission Planner. After clicking you see many projects but you have to select only Mission Planner. When you double click on it, it will start it to loading the project. When you load first time this project you see the developer option. Windows 11 have a developer option you need to enable for enhancing your development. It will more contribute the Windows platform in your development. You just need to turn it on, and after that you see the project will be loading again. When loading completed you see the Mission Planner project in front of you. We click on Mission Planner and we explore. After that you see many folders. Each folder contains configuration files and forms and user control form. We will navigate to GCS view folder and we see the forms flight data, flight planner, initial setup, configuration and simulation form. Today we will work in flight data form only and we add our own label. We will wait for the GUI loading of flight data. After loading you can see the flight data GUI elements has been loaded. We just open the window of tools and we try to search a label. As we search label we found two type of label, one from the Mission Planner, one from the Windows. The Mission Planner label contains the properties of Mission Planner, for instance its theme and etc, and Windows label contains the Windows theme, so there is no major difference between them. This time only we work with Mission Planner's label and we just search and we drag the label of Mission Planner. As you can see when I search for the label there two label appeared. This time I am going to use the Mission Planner's label. As you can see the text my label and other one is the Windows label, but this time I will work with the Mission Planner's label. I am going to click on it and drag into the our form. After that I am going to stretch out it to fit our text. After dragging the label I am going to the properties of the label. In properties I will search for the text which I rename it will be appear. I am going to write here this is my first label in Mission Planner. After that I am going to compile this Mission Planner. After compiling the Mission Planner, my these changes will be appear in our executable Mission Planner which we are developing. As you can see I have completed my changings and I am going to compile the Mission Planner. Just I am going to click on the Mission Planner play button and you can see that the compilation has been started. After compilation a menu will be appeared. I am just going to the continue debugging and don't ask. Success. As the executable Mission Planner runs and we can see our label has been embedded in our Mission Planner. So congratulations, you have developed your first label in Mission Planner. Now I am going to connect this Mission Planner with the autopilot to prove that this is our development. So thank you very much for the watching. See you next time. Take care. Allah Hafiz.